Okay, so today we are here with a new device, that is Mi Box 4K. So this is a very nice device. You might have seen the reviews with the global model, but recently it has been launched by Mi in India. And so right now we bought this box. So if we look out to the specification of this box, it says that product is Mi Box 4K, and it is a streaming media player. And if you notice, like, what all things are there, it has a Bluetooth voice remote, the HDMI cable, and the power adapter which is included in this, and the Mi box which is there. And if we look to the right side of the box, we have mentioned like streaming, connection to the internet, and HDMI. And what all things it supports is YouTube, Hotstar, and major of the OTT content providers. I don't feel like in the global model Amazon Prime support is there, but they have mentioned it over here in this model. So let's try and check it out with it. And it has the built-in Chromecast with Google Assistant. So anyways, the Google Chromecast is will be costing around 3500 to 4000 bucks in Indian rupees. So, and this one which is mentioned, the price which is mentioned here is 4999, but we can easily buy it at 3499 from Mi itself. So well, I got it from the Mi store, so let's quickly unbox it and try to have a look on this. Okay, so what we have got up over here is like first of all, the device itself which is there in the box, the Mi box device. And if you look out to the device, first of all, it has nothing on this side, nothing on this side, and here we have the HDMI, the USB, and the power adapter, and it has the audio with, I think, SPIF. So we'll try to connect it out, and I don't think that we have some indication lights on this, so let's check it out after connecting it to the TV. And other things what we have inside this box is like the manual which is there, like how to connect and all, which is mentioned. And this side, if we open, okay, so we have a power adapter. So let's look at the specification of this adapter. So it's mentioned, okay, the output is 5.2 volt and 2.1 ampere. So I think the standard Mi adapter will also work it. And we have the remote with dedicated Amazon Prime and Netflix support. We have the volume rockers and very nice haptic feedback which I am receiving while pressing the buttons. So anyways, the remote is quite friendly and easy to hold. The design looks flawless. And here we have the HDMI cable in this. So well, this is all we got in this box. So let's just quickly try to connect and have a look. Okay, so initial setup we have done with the Mi box, and it's booting up. And the other thing which we have noticed about here is like they won't be providing any of the batteries included in this particular remote. So initially they are telling to put down the batteries, so I purchased it externally, and now I need to press OK. So I just pressed it. Okay, and it's saying welcome. Now the next, just a quick setup we need to do. Quickly set up your TV with your Android phone. Just don't want to do that. Android phone's Wi-Fi, I had the dedicated Wi-Fi. I'll be connecting up with it quickly, and then we'll be updating. So it is successfully connected to the internet, and it's saying to wait. Okay, now it's asking me to sign in with Google account. So we have set it up this box, and you can see like first of all it is asking for the update. So we can either update, so we'll be updating it later. So if we go, like, it has the premium features of like the Netflix, which is preloaded, and Amazon Prime also this one is supporting, which is launched up in India, and other apps we can download directly from the Play Store itself, and the Netflix, the Hotstar, and it's powered by Android 9. And if you look out to the specification, even though I have not updated it, so if I go about the device, so the device is Mi Box 4, and the version currently it is running on version 9. So recently I'll be updating it, and we'll be checking out like what's the latest version it will be supporting. And if we go back, and we'll see the other things like storage. What we got in this is like internal storage, which will be getting up around 5.4 GB. So, and also we can connect the external devices via USB, and it has a built-in Chromecast feature. So that is the really impressive one, which we think like Chromecast. Again, it's an expensive device if we get it just for the casting purpose. And other things, it has the 2 gigs of RAM in it, and it's working quite smoothly, even though I haven't loaded much of the apps. So we'll be trying to load up, and we'll be continuously means monitoring this device and checking out what all things and what all updates we are getting. So this was just a quick review about this device, which is recently launched just 2 days ago. And thanks a lot, thanks for watching, and just stay tuned with us, and do keep share and like this video if you like it. Thank you.